are you?
Yes, I am full of gusto and full of beans, revitalized and galvanized in
Whoa.
front of you.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very
Yes,
nice.
though today I was under the weather, but now I am feeling good because it has been raining uh, due to low pressure um, uh, in a row 3 days for 3 days. So because of that, I feel under the weather, cold and fever. But now today in front of you, I feel better.
Nice,
What
nice.
about you, ma'am? How is
Yeah.
life?
Also nice. Good. I am as fresh as flower, and I'm ready to and talk with you, having this conversation. And I am very much agog to listen your voice and listen your about the topic. So let's
Likewise, ma'am.
yo.
Yes.
So let's start. So before diving in the conversation, just go for the little bit introduction, short but very important because for the audience.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I am Vanita. I am from Bhubaneswar, city, capital city of Odisha. And about my qualification, I am uh, I have completed MA twice, B.Ed and CTET qualified. I am a homemaker, blessed with two children. They are grown up. Now I am learning this language because it is the global language. So even I get the chance, I try to learn new things about this language. I don't miss the chance really. And another thing, I enjoy a lot this journey. So that's pretty much about me.
Wonderful, wonderful. On my side, I am Neelam Dhingra. I am from Delhi. This time I am professionally I am an English teacher, and as you know that I am a YouTuber. So my motto to upload the English content for the English learner. And these days I am taking spoken English classes for the beginners. So this nutshell introduction from my side. So let's start because our topic is very essential, crucial, and vital. It is very relevant to this era. So this
Yes,
is going on very much. We also know, and we are figuring out that yes, every person is after the junk food. So our topic is about the junk food. So today, you know that man, that everybody, because of the craving, they are just after the junk food. And even we know that it is the main cause of deteriorating our health because junk food is repleting, not depleting. Depletings our immune system as well. Still, we are not miss the junk food when we feel and when we get we all of us. We are ready to eat every
right,
time. Whether sometimes we are stuffed, still we are ruling when we see the junk food. So,
right.
what do you think? How we can control ourselves? What's points very important to control ourselves, or we can say get rid of this habit.
Yes, ma'am, it is a very crucial topic, I can say, because nowadays new generation fond of this junk food. So always they are like to having pizza, burger instead of homemade food. Junk food is very harmful about junk food, like it has high calories, sugar, sodium, and fat as well. So it badly affect our body. That's why uh, I can say in in immature, I can say, before time they are facing so many diseases. So people are like about, they are very young, but they are having facing heart attack, obesity. So it is the main thing. It is the cause of junk food. No doubt, we feel very delicious when we eat, but and we eat enough also, overload. but that creates obesity and increase our fat. So if we increase our fat in our body, definitely we invite different type of diseases. So we reduce. How can we reduce? Because I prefer homemade food, and like fruits we can add, plenty of water we drink, and sprouted green gram. So instead of junk food, that chips, potato chips, other things, we can add gradually. If we are totally habituated depend on that junk foods, so it is not like all of sudden we reduce, but gradually we try to reduce it. So our motive is that. And if children are very fond of, it is the responsibility of parents to reduce slowly, really. So because like children are fond of Maggies, so we can use, instead of that Maggie, we can use wheat flour Maggie. That is also available. That is good for health. And we can made overlapped chapatis. We can good healthy food, like cut the chapatis and like Maggie or pasta we can make. About juice, fresh fruit juice we can add, and that coconut oil, sorry, coconut water are available nowadays, packed coconut, but that is not also good for health. So it is our duty, and our generation as well. Uh, it We should leave that thing, that habits, and use and change ourselves to be a healthy food, to take healthy food. It is my side, ma'am. What is your opinion,
Yeah,
really?
yeah. Wonderful, ma'am. Wonderful. Absolutely right, ma'am. Because junk food is not good for the health. We know everybody, but just after then we are just after the junk food. Not even the youngster, not even the kids. Even though elders, we can find so many areas we can find they are also after the junk food. And no doubt, no bone that yes, it is a directly bad impact, adverse impact on our health.
Yes,
So even though we know some educated person also, we are also educated. Still, we are always planning for the junk food. Where we found, we feel that okay, if you're somewhere, someone is ordering, we inwardly we are agree to have it. So we
yes,
can't say no because I don't know, but junk food has their own charm. But still, we should have analyzed this thing that it is not good for health. First of all, in my opinion, first of all, we must know about, even though we know, we must read again and again and keep in that mind, our mind, that yes, young food is not going to be helpful. It's always only for the bad. Use the word is a bad, and because it is a only for the bad impact. So there's no any good thing for the health. So it is first of foremost thing that it is only for bad impact. And secondly, I would like to say that yes, if it is not good, so we should first of all we should self control, very important. If we know that, keep it in mind that if you want to get rid of this kind of habit, if you want to refrain from this kind of habit, we first of all we should keep at this thing at bay. So keep, when they feel that this junk food, keep it at bay. No, big no. Say big
yes,
no to the junk food. And what happened? It is not going to immediately turn our leaf. Not easily. So when first of all analyze and think that is not good. So
yes,
control yourself. Control and discipline is very important. First of all, if you want, if you having junk food in daily basis, you can cut down. At least you can order for the once in a week. It's okay. Because immediately we can't cope up with this kind of habit that get rid of this thing. We have to make ourselves, make our mind to get rid of this habit, or we can say we don't want to eliminate this habit from our daily routine. So, first of all, discipline and self control is very important. And secondly, what happened? Sometimes what happened, we feel passive, like sometimes we feel passive. What happened in the kitchen? There's not any stored food. No, there's not any. We sometimes we don't find anything to eat. We find sometimes when we don't get what happened, immediately we order the junk food, some anything, chips, burger, pizza. So to satisfy our craving.
Yes.
So, so that's the reason. But first of all, keep our store in the kitchen. At least dry fruit, some immediate food, instant food, so that when we feel peckish, immediately we can cook uh, in a while. So we can keep this thing away. That we should not go for the junk. And there is plenty of water, because when we are very good at the we are hydrate, well, we are hydrate, and we have the water in full, like full of water, we keep ourselves hydrate. It means we are good at our health. So water is really important for the health, and it's help us to blowing in the. It help us to keep us hydrate, and we can say keep us like it's not depleting our immune system. When we have plenty of water, it's very helpful our health. So it is very important. And thirdly, I would like to say that we go for the nuts and fiber.
Yes.
Fiber always help us to satisfy with their hunger. It's very important. So when we take the fiber, we feel not hungry again and again. It keep us satisfy our hunger. So that's the reason fiber is very important. It's helpful also for our health also. Well, like fruits, there's so many fruits which is full of the fiber, like orange and the watermelon. All these things, all fruits, I think there's a full of fiber. I mean, today is, but the today is the thing that I have heard so many times that instead of taking juice, we should eat the direct fruit. We should not go for the juice, because when we make the juice, what happened, all the fibers, we can't take the fibers come out from the juice, and we take the juice, but fiber, there is no fiber in the juice sometimes. So if we want to have fiber, we should take the fruit instead of juice. So it will also helpful. Fiber is very good for the health. And like nuts, there's not nuts like cashew and almond. These are very important for the health, and this give the energy also. So it is very nice thing to replace the junk food. So, and there is a lot of other things, like we can control ourselves. So there's, like, if we talk about the kids and the youngster, it is very difficult to control them, because when they go out, when they hang out with their friends, usually they take the pizza and all these things. But just okay, we can't say every time, because now this thing is in the in the society, and everywhere in the everywhere we can find the junk food. So how we can say that every time? No. But yes, we anyhow, if we get out, if we put efforts, if we convince them, cajole them affectionately, lovingly, that you should not go for the junk food too much. That we can say somehow, some extent, we can control our youngsters. Uh, like we can say them, control yourself. So we can control their feeling also, because sometimes some children are very much into the father and parents' love. So lovingly, affectionately, sometimes they listen. They listen our advice. We can't say that every time they don't listen. So when they feel that our mother are going paying for our health, for our welfare, so then I think they will ready to do it. And like kids in our hand, kids are impressionable, very fragile. So then that time we can control them. That the time is very delicate time, and this time is in our hand. From the very very then the when the children is so like kids are very fragile and they are like very innocent, we can turn their habit. We can build the good habits for we can focus on to build good habits, instill good habits in the childrens and the kids. It's our duty. So I would like to say the kids we can handle easily, and teenager we can handle with if we are befriend them, if we are convince them lovingly, we can handle them. And now, if I talk about elders, we can educate enough, we are mature enough, we are grown up, and we know the deteriorating, what the impact of the junk food. So we should control ourselves. It's our up to us. It is good for health or not. We know that. So then why go for the junk food? So sometimes it happens. We are human beings. We can't stop our craving, or if we feeling like there's those, okay, in a week we can have, but not go for the every time we are just going to ordering the junk food is not good.
Yes, ma'am, I totally resonate with you because no doubt junk food is very scrumptious to take, and it is also, and unwillingly we take more, so that
Yeah.
helps very badly in our health, really. And about about my opinion, really, we should reduce how instead of taking pizza, burger, we can take chapatis and homemade chapatis. And about children, they are also taking chamanpras in early in the morning, and it helps to boost our immunity. So the junk foods slowly unaware of that children any age, any stage, that reduces immunity and the digestive system as well, and it reduces starving as well. So because when we feel hungry, we ordered, and sometimes we also take that and we miss the dinner, and sometimes we miss the lunch as well. And our routine also changed nowadays with children. About children, they are studying overnight, late night, so they are woke up also late. So that time also they are missing the breakfast. So if they are in hostel, they are ordering some junk foods, and it reduce their starving, and it badly affect. But they, because they are young, it is, they are very healthy nowadays. But in future, it badly affects in their body. So they that is can't resist and to do another work, I can say. So we should continue, as you said, we should be disciplined and continue our daily routine and properly, like drinking water, having lunch, breakfast, dinner, proper time. Simultaneously, we do our work. And that juice, about juice, as you said, I totally agree with you. We should take fruits, but the outside available packed juice are chemical based, no, and colored, essence of color, and we are smell also. So we, so it is not good, and adding more sugar. So no doubt it is very delicious to drink, but it is not good for health. And we can, instead of taking that, we can we can take fresh fruit, any kind of fruits that we can add. About me, I also in my daily routine, I fond of fruits, and I like very much, really. And it helps in our stomach, digestive, improves our digestive system, and immunity booster also it works as. So like, um, so we should reduce our junk food junk foods daily basis. So it is very necessary, really, in our generation, because our food is not pure, we know. So nowadays we are prepared for yoga, drinking water, sleeping 8 hours, and though the competition is high, children also engage their studies. So high immunity and protein, fiber, and uh, are very necessary to their body. So it is our duty, and if they are in hostel, the mess duty also provide them good and healthy food for them. So slowly we can reduce our having the junk foods. No doubt, as you said, sometimes it's applicable, but uh, only on regular basis it is not good for health, really. So it is nice topic we discussed, and we are habitual with it. Sometimes that momos also not good for health. We can make the momos by wheat flour or multi-grain wheat flour. So it
Yeah,
is good
there is
because
everything available now. Pizza can make at home. We
yes,
can
pizza.
pizza make at home, and we can go for the, yeah, momos also. We
Yes,
can get home. There is a lot of things, and we can get lot like so many butters, so many chutneys,
yes,
and so many things we can prepare at home. So not go for the junk food. Prepare everything at home for the children and for the uh, family members. It's very good to stay healthy, and it's very important to good. It's very good to cook the food everything at home and stay healthy. So
yes,
this is
ma'am.
the,
And
yeah,
fresh food is very necessary. We can make immediate and instantly we take. That is good for every person, we can say. And nowadays, some person, yes, I forgot to say thing that batters also available, like dosa, idli. That
yeah,
is
yeah,
also not good. But homemade batter is very good.
very good.
Or because we are in rush, and we have many duties, responsibilities, office work, home, household. We are making easy that yes, we bring the purchase the better and we make. That is not good for health. But we are wetting the rice and black gram and make the better. Then we make, that is the good for health, really. So nowadays everything is available, but it is up to us what we will take, what is good for our health. And
Yes.
we should health conscious nowadays, because
Mm.
doctor also uh, unable to identify our disease. No doubt we are facing so many problems. A little bit we are avoidable by taking medicine. We avoid that, but not permanently. So we are cautious about our body by drinking water, doing yoga, and by discipline routine, and be disciplined. That is very important nowadays.
Wonderful, wonderful. That's the reason usually we say that education is very important for the homemaker, and
Yes,
awareness also as well. When our homemakers educate and aware about the what's going on surrounding, so because everything's going well, because the education is the most important, because always helpful to like these things. If the homemaker is educated, definitely she will go for the good food, which is
yes,
good for the health, for
to
their
the
family,
children
for their
and
members, for their
family.
all the members of the family. So that's the reason a good and educated homemaker always helpful for every field in the life, for the family members. So
Yes,
yes. Yes. So thank you, ma'am. Very appreciable. Your standpoint is very appreciable. Really, I thankful to you because it is very nice and very. I like too much that I also want to follow them.
yes, right, ma'am. Actually, it is very important. I can say paramount topic for
Paramount.
us. Yes, because nowadays it is trending junk food art, and you keep this beautiful topic, and it's my pleasure. We share our thoughts, and I participate in this conversation. It is very mesmerizing and intriguing, conversation, I can say.
Wonderful, wonderful. Your
And
temper.
in front of you, I feel always energetic, full of beans.
Good, good. So I should see always in front of you.
Yes,
So,
yes, really. Because today's example, though I was under the weather, but when I see you, I was full of beans.
तो आपके सामने रहती, चलो अपने घर ले चलो.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for connecting me, and really for the good topic you delineated your point, wonderful point, which is very good, and follow, दिल करेगा एकदम उसको follow करो, really is very good and nice. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I also likewise, and I also try to follow, and always I follow. Actually, fruits, juice, and sprouted green gram, and less oil, less spicy. And I also avoid when my children told me that I order the pizza and burger, I deny really. So
We also follow same thing. So this is a good. Thank you, ma'am.
yes,
To
ma'am, we will meet soon.
okay, yes, sure, sure, sure. Okay.
Yes.